fabric selvage to selvage and place the pattern pieces along the fabric. Use a straight grain to measure the edge of the fabric to ensure your pattern comes out straight, and add a 1 cm seam allowance to your patterns. Once you have cut out all of your pieces, place centre fronts and side fronts, right sides together, and sew down the middle bust seams. Repeat this process with the centre back and side back pieces, sewing down the middle leg seam. Once you've completed sewing these pieces together, you should end up with 4 pieces, 2 of which will be the front and 2 will be the back of the legs of the jumpsuit. Place front panels good sides up and place matching back panels to matching front pieces, and sew down the inner leg seams and side seams. Use a 1 cm seam allowance when sewing this jumpsuit together. Once you've completed sewing the legs of your jumpsuits together, flip them right sides out and line up the crotch seams. Sew 15 cm from the centre back, which is where we will add the zip, to the bottom of the V neckline. I recommend about 20 cm from the shoulders, but stop however low or high you desire. With your chosen lining fabric, repeat this exact process we did with your good fabric, but ensuring the bottom of the V necklines match up correctly. Once you have finished sewing your jumpsuits, flip the lining inside out so the good side of the lining is facing the good side of the outer jumpsuit, and match up the centre front. Use a 1 cm seam to sew around the neckline, then press open and top stitch the raw edges to the wrong side of the lining. Place right sides of the zipper to the right side of the fabric and undo the zipper. Using an invisible zipper foot, roll the zip teeth over and sew as close to the teeth as possible without running them over. Stop when the foot hits the zipper stop. Repeat the same process on the other side of the zip, ensuring that the start and finish points of the zip match up. Place your strap pieces right sides together and sew down, around and up the sides, then trim the corners and flip inside out and press. Once you have turned the straps inside out, place the raw unfolded end of the straps to the top of the shoulders, making sure the side of the straps are in line with the top stitching on the outer jumpsuit. Fold the lining across to sandwich the straps in between the outer jumpsuit and the lining. Flip the lining of the jumpsuit inside out so the right sides of the jumpsuits are facing each other, and sew down and around the back. Once the top of the jumpsuit is sewn and enclosed, fold out so the wrong sides of the jumpsuits are facing. Fold the overlaying edges of the lining along the zipper and pin and hand sew these edges down, finishing and enclosing the zip. I recommend trying the jumpsuit on and measuring to your desired length, then trim and double roll the hem and sew down. Repeat this process with the lining and the good fabric, making sure they are the same length.